Let's jump over to our wireframe and take a look at what we still have left to do. So we got the About the Author block done, and in fact, we did it in several different ways. And we still have the Also by this author, recent blog posts, and tags left to go. Next, what we're going to do is the tags block. The Also about this author is a little bit more complex, and recent blog posts is super simple and will be some nice icing on the top once we get done. So let's go ahead and tackle tags, which will introduce us to a couple of new concepts and views. So let's jump back to the browser and let's click on Structure, Views, and Add New View. We're going to call this view name Top Tags because it's going to display the most frequently used tags from most frequently used to least frequently used. Instead of content, we're going to show taxonomy terms. We're going to select the tags vocabulary here. Even though there aren't any other vocabularies right now, there may be in the future. And we're going to leave sorted by unsorted for right now. We are going to need to sort this, but we'll deal with that after we build out some of the additional settings. We don't want a page, so we'll uncheck Create a Page. We'll check Create a Block. We'll leave the block title at Top Tags. In the format, we're going to display this as an HTML-based list, and this is going to be a set of fields, so we'll select Fields. We'll limit this to 40 terms. We don't have that many tags right now, but when we do, we want to make sure there's a cap on it. Let's click Continue and Edit. Now this is the first block that we've dealt with so far that doesn't deal with a contextual filter. It doesn't matter what page this is on, it's going to display the same content regardless. So if we scroll down and we look at the preview, we'll see a list of all of the tags. So the trick is going to be how we get the number of items to display on the side that this tag is being used in. If we look at the wireframe, you see that we have the number in parentheses right next to the tag. So the way we're going to do that is by using a relationship and then using aggregation.